campers! Welcome back! Today we're going to take you on a tour of the Pioneer DS320. But before we do, we wanted to start this video off by saying thank you for watching. And if you like our videos, please remember to like it and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support. Now, let's get back to the Pioneer DS320. The Pioneer DS320 is perfectly crafted for medium-sized families. This 37-feet trailer features an outside kitchen, an outside shower with hot and cold water, LP Quick Connect for propane, an outside TV hookup, a flip-down secure step with an extra large handle, a back tank flush, and electric awning with LED lights. Not to mention there's a 52 cubic foot pass-through for storage. Inside, it features an ultimate kitchen with a solid surface countertops. There is a large stainless steel sink with high-rise faucets, a 3-burner stove with a traditional oven, and a microwave. An 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator with a chalkboard front. The Pioneer DS320 also carries a cable TV hookup with RG6 coax cabling and an AM, FM, MP3 entertainment system with inside and outside speakers. Large windows to let in ample natural lighting and night shades in the living room and bedroom for privacy and napping necessities. Convertible sleeper sofas and convertible U-dinette provides extra sleeping space. The Pioneer Master Suite includes a full-size residential queen bed, full-length dual wardrobes with integrated lighting and USB charging. The entertainment room features bunk beds, game chairs, and RG6 coax cabling. The bathroom features a standing shower, a power vent, and a medicine cabinet with a built-in shelf. If you want to know more about the Pioneer DS320, you can visit our website. Links are in the description. If you want to know our top 5 trailers of 2022, you can click on this video. That's all for now. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you next time. Happy camping!